On this video, we're going to take a look at this modern ambient light that we're going to install on this pergola.
It is all-weather, winter-proof. The housing is made of metal and glass.
Size-wise, you know, for this is an 8-inch post, and it looks pretty dope, in my opinion.
So if you want a chic, modern, upgraded look, consider these lights.
Alright, so we are outside in our pergola, and we have currently those solar lights over there to turn on at night, but we want something a little better. So we found these, and I gotta say they're much cheaper than at the big box store like a Home Depot. And this whole thing is encapsulated in this metal. These are outdoor lamps. These will definitely withstand winters. What I like about this, it has this ambient effect from the bottom and from the top. And there's this see-through sort of a thing, so it creates a glow and it shines upwards. And you can see that they provided you with the light bulbs as well. And then there's 8 LEDs on there and 8 LEDs at the bottom. Those are 2 GU10 LEDs, spot bulbs, and they're gonna give you this really nice effect. To get to the light bulbs, you obviously have to unscrew this glass panel here. All right, so each one of these lamps comes with its own hardware, and here's how to mount it. This is your mounting bracket. So you've got a fixture ground wire, a supply ground wire, black fixture lead wire, and a white supply wire, and a white fixture lead wire. And then you have your canopy. So this, once it's on the wall and the wiring is all hooked up, all you do is you place this over like that. Then you take your screw, you tighten it down, and to cover it, you use these little black screws, and that's all you get. Okay, so very easy. Size-wise, you know, for this is an 8-inch post, and it looks pretty dope in my opinion because these are dimmable. And then we're gonna have an LED light all the way across there and all the way across there on a separate switch, so it can give us a different color. It just looks really good all the way around. It is waterproof, water resistant. It's got a nice highlight right here coming from here in the bottom, so it's pretty stylish and pretty modern. So I mean, all in all, I think it is quite nice and a great addition.